Some Miss Arrow shit. Slap.
Niggas in Houston. Look, it's about to fucking go down. 504IcyGrl, 1140, no cap. Princess Diary tour, we sold out, and I got pearls, nigga. Hello.
You wanna talk to him? Hello? 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 Look. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Houston. I love y'all so much for coming out. I'm loving the energy in this bitch. You know, we all feeling good. We all blessed. You know, we all happy to be here. Okay, so my name is 504IcyGrl. Before I get started, my favorite thing to say is hello. Everybody can say that motherfucker. You can say hello. All right. Are y'all ready? I'ma do that. Yeah, I'ma try your ass up. Yeah, I'ma just drop that screw, yeah. I'm in the boo, yeah. You nigga like boo, yeah. Nah, to no good. Run no hood. Pussy nigga, what's good? Big dog, call me should. Shit, probably should. You know what I'm saying? I'm a part of your bitch. Still gotta get some of my tits. They told me to be doing what they be doing. I don't know though. Shit, focus. I'm focused. Still loud and hanging, all in my trunk. Trunk full of funk, I ain't never been a punk. I blow on a skunk, I blow on a doja. Military minded, I'm a motherfucking soldier. I just tell you so the bitch run cold. Got no beats and shit, I still ain't a hole. And niggas know. I'm telling you with you. I know I get wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. We got 504IcyGrl in the motherfucking building. A really bad bitch. Let's go. Mix. Every time they see me out, all my diamonds make them sick. Yeah, I'm still serving, they know I'm a pharmacist. I got tree, I got wax, I got shrooms, I got bricks. Don't be on a budget, cause my weed is not cheap. I don't want no boring friends, I say looking for the freaks. Bad bitches fuck with me, they keep me on repeat. All these people wanna be me, trying to study my technique. Bitches looking bitter, I be doing better.